Hey, Edward from Funneltopia here. A quick feature update. Now, people in your communities, or just in any communities, have the ability to chat with each other one-on-one. So not only the community feature, but also you can message people, right? So yeah, in the back end, to access one of your groups as an admin, for example, you can go to memberships, communities, groups, right? Let's just access our group, our little test community. And now we can go to check out the members, right? We have different members. So let's click on one of them, right? Which is not us. This is like a different member. And over here, you see we have the chat option. So you can click on chat and you can see, it's one-on-one. Obviously, you can send regular messages, right? You can send hi, whatever. And also you have the opportunity to send a GIF, right? Something like this, or, choose from whatever you can search, right? And also you have the ability to send either files or media. You can send videos, images, all that stuff, right? So that there's capability for that as well. And if you're the end user and somebody messaged you, for example, there's like a spammer or whatever, you don't want them to keep messaging you, you can click on this little kind of like an arrow, and over here you can, you have the ability to delete the chat and you have the ability to block the user. Also, you can check out their profile as well. And yeah, if you're on the receiving end for messages, you're going to get a notification, and obviously you can click on chat over here as well. And there's going to be an overview, just like Facebook Messenger, right? For example, there's an overview of all your past conversations chronologically. And also, yeah, if you go to your account over here, if you're part of multiple groups as an end user, you can go account and then communities chats, and you can disable the chat ability for people to chat with you in certain communities. So you also have that option. But yeah, nice little addition, extra way to communicate with people. I find it really cool and useful. Sometimes there's conversations you want to have one-on-one with separate people, right? So this is now we have that ability. We don't have to take it off the platform. We don't have to message anywhere else. It's all here in one place with the community, with the events, with the courses, with everything. Like it's all here, consolidated in one tool. So that's really cool. So yeah, if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on down below. Funneltopia support chat, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And if you're a VIP, you can schedule a VIP call. If you have more than a question or two, it might be quicker this way. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.